Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. Today in this class, we are going to learn about how to improve English. And this video is especially for Telugu medium students, those who want to improve their communication skills. And also, we'll learn some Telugu sentences, how to transfer Telugu sentences into English. Let's begin our class. When you hear English, please concentrate and speak English. When you hear Telugu, when you hear other languages, please concentrate and express that into in English. Whenever anybody speaks to you Telugu, speak the same thing in your mind in English. Can you do that? It's take a lot of practice. For example, somebody is asking you at the bus stop, what is the time now? You must answer to them, what is the time in Telugu? You just think yourself, you tell yourself how to put this sentence in English. In this way, self-improvement comes. Can you think of one incident or one story every day? Is anybody else who doesn't know stories? You know, our life itself is a story. Every day one new episode. In that case, we can see many episodes. Take one incident and convert that Telugu to in English. Think in your mind how to transfer this sentence, this word, and just think and speak in English. If you don't have any friends to communicate, no problem. You just take and use your cell phones. Now everywhere it is available. In every homes, at least minimum 2 to 3 mobiles are available. Take your cell phone, record it and listen. How many times I just stopped? Okay, how did I tell this story? How many times did I stop? How I hesitated? Check out, you will find your mistakes easily. And also, those who cannot speak English, you just start with writing. Whatever the story you have, you just first note down. Write in your notes and then you read it and then you learn it and now keep it aside and start telling about the story, whichever you wrote. In this case, little information, whatever you learned, you read, from that you can improve more. So Telugu sentences we can convert easily from Telugu to English. Always be aware of few words, what are the words, how to use questioning words, what are the basics words in English. First you learn, concentrate on that. So just think and identify what are the sentence now. What is the scenes you have. Translate in that way, definitely you will get good improvement. Okay. As I said, like our life itself is a story. Every day many episodes. Is it true? Yes, it's absolutely true. Because many things will do a day. And try to tell what did you do. All not in Telugu. And try to tell in English. What did you do? How did I say in English? Is it clear? Is the sentence correct? Check yourself. When you do like this, obviously it takes some time to improve. But in this case, especially for Telugu medium students, you can develop your English. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you.